Yeah, we're here in this beautiful park. Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. Roaming around this park for at least 1 hour. I think malaki din siya. Trees. Okay. Galing. So there, we can see, we hope to see the cherry blossom trees here. Yeah. Marami ang hindi pa namumulaklak. And others nag-uumpisa pa lang na mamulaklak, so we will go over there. Dad, here. Malawak dito. So it's one good thing sa mga park dito sa Hong Kong, malalawak. Ang daming mga puno at iba't ibang klaseng bulaklak. So ngayon pa lang, ito oh, look at this. Wow. So this is the part where the cherry blossoms ay nakatanim and mukhang kaunti pa lang yung bulaklak. So let's see. Here. Yung mga pangalan ng types of ano. Ayun pa lang, oh. Lola Mirai is early to be here. Ikot lang tayo. So, not many cherry blossom trees. Pero ang ganda dito sa park na to. Galing. I'm not sure whether we can go inside. So, ikot na lang tayo. Maraming birds. As you can see, daming malawak na taniman ng halaman. Ba't ibang klaseng halaman? Ito. This is the color pink. And this one should be white. The name is Prunus yedoensis. The same as what we have seen the other day in other park. Gutom na ang lola. Katang lolo. Let's get the full name of this. Maganda talaga maglakad dito. Especially siguro very early in the morning and in the afternoon before 6 p.m. And kung gabi naman, mga ilaw, so it's okay lang din. Okay, ang lolong napagod.
Meron pa pala doon, ayun, no?
Oo nga, pinagpawisan kami ng lolo. There are lots of other cherry blossom trees, pero hindi ko alam kung namunga na ba, ay namulaklak na, o talagang hindi siya namulaklak kasi wala siyang bunga. But the others, wala siyang bulaklak, but the others, may mga bulaklak at nalalaglag na yung iba. So like this, ang puno na yan, part of the cherry blossom trees, pero hindi pa namulaklak. The others, ayan o, meron ng ito, meron ng ibang sulpot na bulaklak, ayan o, pero yung iba wala pa. There are also others like me who love flowers and would like to see one. And dito na yung restroom. So, antay lang natin ng lolo while he's in the toilet, in the restroom. Dito lang muna tayo. Talaga, Lola Mirai really loves this kind of place. Daming puno. dito mag-ano, oh, there. Look at this. Galing. Yeah, we're here in this beautiful park.
Tuloy ba yun?
Hi!